Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and it's so important to stay hydrated and nourished throughout the day. And that's why the Chef Star glass water bottle set has really helped my husband to do that. The reason is that my husband likes to make homemade protein shakes, which is great, but also very time consuming. When shakes sit in a fridge in a plastic bottle, it separates and gets kind of gross. So I did some research and I found that if you put it in a glass bottle and fill it to the top, it actually will last a lot longer. And we've found this to be true. It comes with 3 bottles, and I was personally surprised that it came each with its own protection sleeve. When I saw the picture online, I only saw one, which I figured, hey, whichever one he's taking with him, that'll be perfect. But each one came with its own sleeve, which I just thought was such a fun, great, wonderful bonus. I like how it has different colors. It just makes it really easy to keep track of them. I think it is just a nice high quality bottle. The cap does such a good job turning on, turning off. It has no issues with leaking. It's very easy to clean. I love how slender they are. They fit so nice into our small little fridge and also in storing up with all our water bottles up above. It makes it just a really nice thing, an easy solution to have in your kitchen. And that's my point of view.